It is a beautiful sunny day at the bright and colorful neighborhood park with green grass.
Hello, Sarah and Leo. I am so happy to see you both playing here today. Hi, Tom. Come and look at my new toys on this soft and green grass. We are having a lot of fun playing together in the warm sun right now. I want to play too. What is that bright red object in your small hand? Sarah holds a shiny red toy car very tightly while she sits on the green grass. Please let me see the red car. It looks very fast and very cool to me. Be careful, Tom. This red car is my favorite toy, and it is very special. Give it back, Sarah. No, Tom, it's mine. Stop it, Tom. Do not pull the car away from me, because you might break it. You must wait for your turn to play with the car, because we are sharing. I do not want to wait. I want to hold the red car in my hands now. The red toy car falls down and hits the hard ground with a very loud noise. The small wheels of the red car are now broken on the green grass. Oh no! My favorite red car is broken and now I am feeling very sad today. That was very naughty, Tom. You should not grab toys from your friends like that. I am sorry. I did not mean to break the car while we were playing together. Sarah and Leo take their toys and walk away because they do not want to play. Tom walks home alone because he is very angry with his two best friends today. I am so mad that I want to kick everything in this whole sunny neighborhood. My friends are not being nice, so I will go home and be alone now. Look at this big red door. I am gonna give it a very hard kick. Ouch! My foot hurts a lot now, but I do not care because I am grumpy. I will go inside my house and I will not talk to my kind mother. Tom enters the bright and colorful kitchen because he feels very hungry and very sad. I need a large glass of cold water because my throat feels very dry now. I will reach for this glass on the table, even though my hands are shaking. Oh no! The glass broke on the floor and now there is water on my feet. Everything is going wrong today and I am making a very big mess in here. I am a very bad boy and I think that nobody wants to play anymore. I will sit on this cold floor and cry because I feel very alone today. I just want someone to give me a hug and tell me that everything is okay.
Tom, why are you sitting on the floor and crying near all of this water?
I am sorry, Mom. I broke the glass and my friends do not like me.
It is okay, my dear son. I love you very much, and we can clean this. Tom, you look very grumpy and sad right now. Can you tell me what happened in the kitchen? Oh, it is very important to talk about your feelings when you are feeling upset or very lonely.
I am sad because I broke the glass and I think you are angry with me now. Mom, would you still love me if I were a small green bug with many little legs?
I I would still love you even if you were a tiny bug in our big green garden.
What if I were a big brown bear with very sharp teeth and a very loud roar?
I would still love you because you are my son and my love will never go away. My love for you is like the bright light of the stars in the dark night sky.
The stars are very far away, but their light is always there for us to see tonight.
Exactly, exactly. Even when you cannot see me, my love is shining for you just like those stars.
I feel much better now, and I want to clean this water from the kitchen floor today. That is a very good idea. Let us work together to make the floor clean and dry. I am finished cleaning now, and I want to go back to the park and play.
You are a very helpful boy. Go have fun with your friends Sarah and Leo outside now.
I will tell my friends that I am sorry for being grumpy, and we can play again. Tom is walking back to the park to see his friends Sarah and Leo again today.
Hello, Sarah and Leo. I am back because I want to talk to you both now.
Oh, hello, Tom. We are still playing with these colorful blocks over here on the grass. It is a very beautiful day to play outside in the bright and warm sun today. I am holding my favorite blue toy car, and I want to show it to you. I am very sorry for being grumpy and breaking your pretty toy earlier this morning.
Tom feels much better now that he is being kind to his friends in the park.
Please take my blue car so we can all play together happily again right now. That is very kind of you, Tom. I accept your nice and sincere apology today. We are happy to have you back because you are our very good friend, Tom. Look at this fast blue car. It moves very quickly on the green grass here. It's so fast, and now it stops. I am happy to share my favorite toys with you both in the park today. Let us build a big garage for the blue car with these yellow blocks now. The three friends are happy together because sharing makes everything much more fun. Playing with friends is much better than being angry by myself today.
Now the children are playing happily under the warm and bright afternoon sun. The evening sky is turning dark blue, and many small stars are appearing in the beautiful sky. Tom and his friends are looking up at the sky together during this quiet and lovely evening. Look at that big star over there, because it is the brightest light in the whole sky. I can see the stars now, and they are very pretty above the green park trees today.
The stars are very far away, but they make me feel very happy and safe tonight. These bright stars remind me of my mother's deep love for me every single day. My mom says that the stars are like little lights watching over us while we are sleeping. Your mother is very kind, and we are very happy to be your friends tonight.
Goodbye, Tom. We will see you tomorrow morning to play together in the big park again. I am home now, and I want to tell my mom about my very wonderful afternoon today. Hello, Tom. I am very happy to see you back home for dinner after your long day.
I had a very wonderful afternoon playing with Sarah and Leo in the big sunny park today. We shared our toys
and we looked at the first bright stars in the dark evening sky.
I am so glad you had a good time with your friends and learned about sharing today. Let's go to your bedroom now because it is late and you are very tired tonight. Good night, my sweet boy, and I hope you have very happy dreams about the bright stars tonight.
Good night, Mom. I love you very much, and I am very happy to be in my bed.
Tom is sleeping peacefully while the bright stars continue to shine over the quiet and dark neighborhood.